how did we get battery prices reduced so much in 9 years?
Well, key to this has really been the scale that we've seen in the industry. So we've seen the electric vehicle industry scaling massively, but we've also got other sectors like energy storage, so stationary battery storage, and the electrification of commercial vehicles. So that's been one key factor. The other one alongside that has been the introduction of new cell chemistries, which have cheaper raw material and manufacturing costs.
And I mentioned EVs in particular, but what other industries kind of use these batteries that can now benefit from these lower packs?
Yeah, so increasingly, as I mentioned, we're seeing industries like the stationary energy storage industry electrifying. We're also seeing increasing electrification of electric buses. In the US, we're seeing, in particular, school buses becoming electrified. And as prices continue to fall, we'll see more sectors opening up.
How much more can prices actually fall from this point?
That's a really good question. So from the work that we've done, we forecast that by around 2024, battery pack prices will on average be below $100 per kilowatt hour. And this is a really important metric because when you get below this price that you start seeing mass market price parity between electric vehicles and internal combustion engine vehicles. If we look further out than that, by 2030 you expect battery pack prices could be below about $60 per kilowatt hour. But the route to getting to those prices is still not clear. There's a number of technologies that could be introduced.